Dynamics 365 Sales, your complete lead-to-invoice journey. This isn't just a software tour, it's your entire sales workflow visualized and optimized. In this video course, you will learn to construct a solid, modular foundation for full customer visibility. Next, we'll guide raw leads through every step of the sales pipeline to convert them into solid, qualified opportunities. Master the complete transaction flow, from pre-populated quotes and orders straight through to automated invoicing, keeping control every step of the way. And finally, we'll give you the essential tools for success, like product catalog hierarchies, goal tracking, and competitive analysis. Don't miss a single beat of the journey. Watch until the very end to understand the complete, powerful lead-to-order-to-invoice lifecycle. Lock in your competitive edge and start closing more deals faster. Let's begin your successful sales journey now.
In a fast-paced business world, managing customer relationships is the key to success, but it can be complicated. This guide walks you through Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales, your new central hub for relationship building. Imagine closing sales faster and having every email, phone call, and meeting tracked in a complete customer profile. You get a total view of client interactions, helping your team stay perfectly coordinated. Accessing it is simple. Dynamics 365 is modular, so your company only buys what it needs, like the specific sales hub. Just open it directly from your standard application drawer. Inside, the clunky navigation of the old classic view is gone. A new unified interface shifts everything to a sleek sidebar, making it approachable and easy to use. This sidebar logically organizes your workflow into clear categories. Easily manage customers and sales engagements, access collateral like quotes, coordinate simple marketing email blasts, and track performance goals, all with built-in tools like reports and alerts. Welcome to this non-techie guide exploring the building blocks of sales, understanding accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities. We start with how the system is organizing data. It uses entities or specific types of data records for managing essential concepts like a person or a deal. These entities include the foundation blocks, the shared entities necessary to manage your own customers and contacts and maintain a complete history of interactions. The key records are accounts, which represent a company or organization, and contacts, representing an individual person. Next, we manage leads, which are unqualified prospects. These are people or organizations with interest who are not confirmed or qualified yet. You collect leads from things like trade shows or using tools like a Power App. You can track interactions using timeline control for total visibility. This leads to a crucial decision point: either disqualify the lead or qualify it, converting the lead into an active opportunity. Finally, we work with opportunities, defined as quantifiable sales engagements or real deals in progress. These capture potential sales for existing customers and help you forecast demands and revenue. You add specific opportunity products from price lists to determine the estimated revenue value before processing the deal to closure, marking it as won or lost. And that is the complete process.
Welcome to your non-techie guide to the Dynamics 365 sales cycle, moving from quotes to orders to invoices. We begin with quotes, the official proposal offering products and services at a predetermined price, complete with payment terms. These integrate directly with existing opportunities, carrying over all items. Quotes move through distinct lifecycle stages, from draft to active and finally closed, capturing crucial details like effective dates, discounts, and addresses. Once a customer accepts, we transition to orders. A single button click converts an active quote into an order, ready for fulfillment. This process allows you to define closing parameters and calculate final revenue based on those quoted values. Next comes invoices, simply defined as asking for payment. Generated directly from the order to pre-populate all details, the invoice must link to a customer account. While Dynamics creates the invoice, remember that your separate ERP system typically handles the actual financial processing. Finally, the cycle doesn't happen in a vacuum. By tracking competitors who offer similar products, you gain strategic insights into their strengths and weaknesses. You can associate these competitor records to every opportunity to make more informed decisions, noting that some organizations might act as both a competitor and a customer account, depending on the interaction. Welcome to the Non-Techie Guide to the essential support tools empowering your sales team within Dynamics 365. First, understand what you sell using product catalogs. A product record represents individual goods or services and links directly to opportunities, quotes, and orders. A critical rule for system integrity is don't delete. Always disable old products instead to protect your historical data. Master catalog building by using hierarchies, like distinguishing pro laptops from standard ones and grouping packages into discounted bundles. New system interfaces even offer suggestions to ensure the correct price from price list items is automatically added. Next, power your efforts with knowledge using sales literature. This central repository holds informational resources like brochures, white papers, and competitive analyses. Driven by metadata, including finding fields and subject taxonomies, it ensures easy retrieval and forwarding. Crucially, expiration dates are defined to prevent you from sending old information to clients. Finally, track your performance with sales goals. This foundational tool facilitates goal management by rolling up targets from individual salespeople up to the team and department levels. Defined durations for fiscal or custom periods allow managers to modify properties while goal owners meet targets. Key tabs utilize metrics like revenue or units sold to accurately calculate an up-to-date snapshot of actual values achieved against percentages achieved. Dynamics 365 is more than just data storage. It transforms information into action using clear processes and real-time visuals. Think of it as your roadmap to sales success. First, rely on business process flows. These act as your visual checklist path. The lead to opportunity process ensures an orderly, reliable handoff with no lost information. The opportunity sales process then guides sellers to win deals while bubbling up essential data so sales managers can make informed team decisions. Even better, these stages can automatically trigger routine actions like power automate flows. Next, consolidate your workload with dashboards. The social dashboard uses a built-in assistant for pertinent recommendations and alerts. Remember, the system uses security trimming, so salespeople see only what they are allowed to, like their own deals, while managers see the team view. When deeper analysis is needed, reporting capabilities range from simple views and charts to developer-built professional SSRS reports. Finally, access basic marketing features. Create target marketing lists utilizing dynamic lists that automatically rebuild query parameters, like all customers in Texas. Then use the Quick Campaign Wizard to select an activity like email or phone, assign a user, and execute direct customer contact immediately. Welcome to the Non-Techie Guide's full journey of Dynamics 365 sales. We began with the foundation, mastering the modular UI, accounts, and contacts for complete visibility. We then navigated the pipeline, converting raw leads into real opportunities in an orderly, qualified handoff. Next, we drove the transaction cycle, moving seamlessly from quote to order and finally to invoice for fulfillment. We wrapped up with key tools for growth, managing product catalogs, sales literature, and trackable sales goals. That is your complete lead to invoice lifecycle to close deals faster.